All right, YouTube. So originally I wasn't planning on making a video today. I wasn't really expecting anything to happen. I was just out in my garage kind of tinkering with the boss, tinkering with my MGB. Hadn't really touched the MGB in a while. A lot of the projects I wanted to do involve respirators and at least a dust mask or face shield. I got most of the floor matting, but I still got to actually grind it. I was going to cut out the floors and set the new pans for welding. And I can't do that without a without a respirator of some sort for the cutting wheel. And obviously they're hard to come by. But I was in the motor and I was basically wiggling around some cables and messing with the distributor a little bit. And after I messed with the distributor a little bit, I went to turn the motor over and it fired up and almost choked me out of my garage. I was not expecting it. So I hope you guys like this video. Watch it and tell me what you think. As you saw, I got the car started. I'm so excited. This thing hasn't been run in 20 plus years. I got it from the original owner who had been in the process of rebuilding it, and he had to let it sit. And then I moved and I had to let this thing sit outside, and it had been sitting in my garage the whole time, and it was in his garage the whole time. But it sat outside for about a year under a tarp, a tent, but it wasn't perfectly protected from the conditions. So the fact that I've been working on this, and if anyone's been watching my series, it's been a long time coming. I mean, I can't get over how excited I am about this. Next step will be making sure the engine has fuel, and then let it run for a little bit and just see what happens if we can get it going. I'm sure I'm gonna have some leaks and stuff that start to pop up. I think probably gonna have to replace the radiator, a bunch of hoses, but I'm just gonna kind of see what happens first. But man, God, I am so excited. I'm so happy this finally lit off. I was not, honestly, I wasn't expecting anything. I was just turning it over, and it sounded like it had a little bit of life. So I'm like, oh crud, I'm gonna let's go ahead and make sure we record this next one. And sure enough, it fired right up. So yep, now the problem is supplying the fuel, and we'll see what happens. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.